How's it going, guys? Look at Wild Stuff here, back for another video, and today we are going to be going over printing. Now, printing, it's pretty simple. So we're gonna have a short, sweet, simple video. But before we hop back into it, we're gonna go into our old script and go over something right quick, which I forgot to do last video when we went over variables, which is when you're making new variables, you can also go like local cat, comma, house equals 1, 2, and this will make it so cat equals 1, house equals 2, just as if you separated them and had them like all the rest of the variables, which you can do it either way. I'm gonna still do it vertically because that's how I've done it my whole, scripting career. But yeah, let's just get right into printing. Now, printing, well, when you make a new script, you're gonna start with a print called "Hello World." And you're like, but basically, if you just run this script, it's going to immediately print in your output "Hello World," and you can go view and hit that second little box to open up your output again. But yeah, now printing. It basically gives you information when you ask for it. So, and whenever your script gets to the print, it's going to put whatever information you gave that print to put out into the output. So now if we close this new script, go back to the old script, we can go like print banana. Now our banana variable has Goobertown. I already know I misspelled banana, but it has Goobertown in it. So now when we print it, we're gonna get Goobertown, the string. Now it's good for things like if statements. So let's say I made it so cat equals 2 in my script somewhere, and I didn't realize that. And now I go if cat equals 1, then blah blah blah. Let's say I didn't realize that I made cat equal 2, and now I'm like, why isn't this firing? I can put a print here. I can go print cat above it, right? I can go print cat right here. And it'll show what cat is equaling. And just for safety's sake, I can go like print goody when cat equals 1. So now I'll realize, something's making cat equals 2, because when I print it out before my if statement, cat equals 2. And then you find that and be like, oh, that's why cat's equaling 2. So I might want to make this equal 2 now, and now it's going to print both 2 and goody, because that's the value for cat, and now that the if statement's correct, it's going to print goody. But yeah, it's very helpful. It can print out variables. It's very helpful for figuring out what things equal to, or just like putting things like this to make sure that certain parts of the script are actually going through. Helps find like little breakpoints in your script where you're trying to figure out, why isn't this working? Yeah, prints are very helpful. I think that about wraps it up for this video. I'll see you next time, where we're going to go into the big things we're going to use for like pretty much every script. If statements, ands, ors, all those reserved names that I was talking about. Well, not all of them, but like a good chunk of them that we're going to be using very often. Well, that's it for this video. See you next time.